Hello. Um, this is going to be like the first example of mounting a motor. Because you can see he's got them two slots in it, which like allows you to move the motor out of the way to mount the part to the 2040 properly. Right. It's just quite a simple little video showing you how to do it. So first, these are like M3 by 6mm computer screws with a little built-in washer. I just got them from like computer hardware. So they just screw in like you would normally would to a motor. You don't want to do them in too tight because you want to be able to slide them a bit. You'll tension them properly when it's in properly. So if you slide it to one side, it opens the hole for you, so you can get a screw in properly. It just makes it so you're actually able to screw the screw in without it being dead awkward into the. See, I don't have the 2040 at the moment, so that's where you'd put it. It's quite simple, really. These are just some like. It's just a nut so that the countersink goes in all the way and it sits flush. Yeah, I'm just finding some other ones that aren't locking, so it'll be a bit quicker to get on. Yeah, see, there you are. Just replace that. So you wouldn't do this in the actual build. This will be where you'd put the bolt into the end of some threaded 2040. This is just so I can do it in an example. So you can tighten it down so the bolt head goes flush with the top, so you can slide the motor over. Then you should be able to slide it over like that. So yeah, I did the screws in too tight initially. Just loosen them off a bit. So they need to be really flush so you can get like really tight in there and the motor won't be loose or anything. Just a little bit of adjustment so that it'll work. There we are, now it's nice and in tight. And it's a bit skew if there, so we'll just straighten out again. Like that, yeah. This is really just an alignment. These two screws do all the holding really, which keeps the motor nice and tight. Yeah, and there's the last screw in there now. Snug them down so they're all nice. See that? Then what this does, it allows you to get the motor in, get it all together, and so it's a nice tight fit with the 2040 extrusion in the way. So yeah, so it's the same principles for both the Y motors. You'll see here the bracket. See, look, they've just got the same slot and they screw in the same way.